Guys, here are the things that you should never do if you have a car. When you are parking a car, always make sure that you are pressing this parking light button. This is not a parking light, this is an emergency light button. So this button is usually placed in the car for warning the vehicles behind you if we find any fault in our car. So sometimes we will be driving fast or the people behind us will be driving fast. If something happens, some malfunction in our car, we have to press the warning lights to warn the cars that is coming back of us. Ultimately, they will start slowing down. Also, this button is used for parking, to warn the other cars that we are going to park the vehicle. So please stay away. Guys, a very important thing. When we are going to park the car and then when we are starting the car and taking it outside, we should never take it outside like usually bikers do. Usually people who are driving bike, they used to take the bike immediately outside and turn right. That is not what we should do. We should always put the right or left indicator before we turn the car and take it out to the road after parking. And we have to take it very slow. Guys, always remember, driving safely is the best option. People should not get hurt. If we suddenly take this car from parking, they will not know. So there are chances of accidents. Please warn them that we are going to take this vehicle outside to the road from parking. Number 3, biggest and most dangerous thing to place in the car is a plastic water bottle with the water. This is very dangerous. When a plastic water bottle is in the sunlight, when it gets heated, harmful chemicals will come out. Definitely people will get cancer because of this. Also, there is one more danger. If the sun rays fall on plastic bottles or even the glass bottles with water, the beam will direct it towards the seat. Seat is made of cloth and sponge. It will start catching fire. When it catches fire, entire car will start burning without knowing. Never keep a water bottle inside the car. If you're going to place a water bottle, keep steel bottles. And guys, for the purpose of environment, also for the purpose of well-being, never use plastic. The third thing is, if car is placed in the sunlight for long time, harmful gases like formaldehyde will start to rise out of the inner layer of the car. So always when you are taking the car for the first time, make sure you do all these things. First, open your driver's seat window a little and then come here to the dashboard. Push this button to the outer loop. Send the air inside to the outside. Okay? Make sure the AC is switched on. By this way, harmful gases will start going outside. Do this for around 5 to 6 minutes. Then you can switch it back all in positions. Close the window. Lastly, one more thing not to do is, when the brakes fail, never push the handbrake or don't try to jump away from the car. Remember, pushing the handbrake may be the only option. You have to do it gradually. See my previous video, how to stop the vehicle very stably when the brakes fail. Do not drag this up front. This will make your car roll in the road. It will cause severe injuries, so be very careful. These are the things you should never do when you have a car. As a bonus tip, when you take your car's key outside and you're going to go inside your house, make sure your steering is locked. How to lock it? Take out the keys and turn the steering till you hear a clicking noise. That's all. It is locked, so that it will prevent us from any theft. Nobody can take the car and run away suddenly.